welcome to my channel. Today I would like to explain about speed and types of speed. Here some pairs of objects are there which are in motion. We need to identify which objects are moving slowly, which objects are moving fastly. Here first pair is aeroplane and train. In this, which one is moving slow, which one moving fast? Aeroplane moves fast, we have to tick that, and train moves slow comparing to the aeroplane. And next, bus and rickshaw. Bus moves fast and rickshaw moves slow. Next, bicycle and scooter. Bicycle moves slow and scooter moves fast. Elephant and cheetah. In this, elephant moves slowly and cheetah moves fast. Dog and buffalo. Dog goes fast and buffalo moves slowly. And man, horse. Man moves slowly and horse moves very fast. Here there is a speedometer of two vehicles, car 1 and car 2, and look at the speedometer, which car is moving slower. By comparing this, here first car 1 is moving around 64 km per hour and car 2 is moving around 144 km per hour. It means car 1 is moving slowly. If you observe this picture here, 0, 20, 40, 60, these readings gives the speed of the car and it is known as a speedometer. If we observe carefully here middle, there is some reading. So this reading shows that the distance travelled by the vehicle. This is known as odometer. Okay, and it has speedometer and odometer. Any vehicle, if you observe in the vehicles, speedometer gives the how fast or how slowly the vehicle is moving. Odometer gives the information about how much distance travelled by the object. What is the speed? Speed we can define as speed of an object is the distance travelled by the object in unit time is known as speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. This is the formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. The units of speed. SI unit of speed is meter per second. CGS unit of speed is centimeter per second. And there is a practical unit also there, that is kilometer per hour. These are the units of speed. Here if you observe this, a car driven on road, a person seated beside the driver recorded the distance traveled after every 10 minutes by noting the distances reading in the odometer. The distance traveled by the car at different instants of time is as follows. Here 0 starting time 0 minutes, distance traveled by the car is 0 kilometers only. After 10 minutes 15 kilometers. Next 10 minutes means after 20 minutes it traveled 25 kilometers. 30 minutes after 38 kilometers. Finally 40 minutes after it traveled 60 kilometers of distance. Here are some questions. What is the total distance traveled by the car? So the total distance traveled by the car is 60 kilometer. Second question. What is the time taken to travel the distance? How long did the car take to travel the distance? It is 40 minutes. How do you find the speed of the car? We have a formula to find out the speed of the car, that is equal to speed is equal to distance by time. And the distance traveled by the car is 60 kilometer time is 40 minutes. But the units are in different system. It is in distance is in kilometers and time is in minutes. We need to convert this minutes into hours by dividing 60. 40 divided by 60, the time converts into hours. 40 by 60 is equal to 2 by 3 hours. Substituting this time value in the speed formula, speed is equal to distance. In the place of distance we write 60 and time 2 by 3 hours. If we write the 2 by 3 beside the numerator, it becomes as 60 into 3 by 2. Now cancelling this 2 table, 2 ones are 2 30s are 30 into 3, that is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the car is 90 kilometer per hour. In this way we can find out the speed of any object. Here is another question. Speed of a bus is 72 km per hour, whereas speed of car is 12.5 meter per second. Which vehicle moves faster? To compare the speed of the bus and speed of the car, first of all we have to see the units. Those units must be in same. But here the units are not in one system. We need to change the units. Speed of the bus is 72 km per hour. Speed of car is 12.5 meter per second. We have to convert this meter per second into kilometer per hour. Speed of the car is 12.5 into, if we want to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we have to multiply with 18 by 5. 12.5 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. After cancelling this simplification, after cancelling these values, we will get speed of the car is 45 kilometer per hour. Here is it. Speed of the bus is 72 km per hour and speed of the car is 42 km per hour. Which is moving faster? Here the bus is moving faster. Thanks for watching this video.